Hello, my name is Professor John Morrissey. I'm the Programme Director for Biological and Chemical Sciences, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to explain the organisation of our biochemical and chemical science degrees in UCC, in the College of Science, Engineering and Food Science, because it can be a little bit confusing at first glance. So we have a number of different programmes that go both by their names and their CAO codes. And you can see these listed on your screen here. So for example, we've got Biological and Chemical Sciences, CK402, and we've got Biological Earth and Environmental Sciences, CK404, and we've got Chemical Sciences and so forth. And so you might be wondering, which of these do you choose if you want to do a particular degree? So what I've listed underneath each degree, each program here, are the degrees that you can do. So these are the final degrees that you get, BSc in microbiology or BSc in chemistry, and so forth. What you can see, if you look at this, is that there is occasional overlap. So for example, if one wanted to do a degree in applied plant sciences, it is actually possible to do that through either the CK402 or the CK404 entry. Similarly, if you're interested in chemistry, you can do chemistry or chemistry with forensics, either by entering through biological and chemical sciences, CK402, or chemical sciences, CK406. On the other hand, there are mostly unique degrees. So if you're interested in chemistry of pharmaceutical compounds, you need to come in through CK402, whereas if you're interested in chemical physics, you would need to come in through CK406. Now the CK402 and the CK404 programs, as you can see, actually have a lot of different degree outlets. One doesn't decide that at the beginning, and the first choices for those typically get made at the end of the first year, or you're in a program where you're doing a group of these and you have an option of that at the end of the first year. There are some programs, for example, genetics, CK405, where that's a dedicated program. So students who come into that program, even though they do a lot of the same courses as CK402 or CK404 students, they are in a dedicated stream to get a BSc in genetics. The same is true of the degree in biomedical sciences, CR320. Now that's a joint degree with MTU, Munster Technological University, and the actual entry code for that is an MTU code, but the degree is jointly taught between UCC and MTU. So if you're thinking about biological and chemical science degrees in any of these programs that I list here, or any of these topics, you should really think about what kind of chemistry interests you, what kind of biology interests you, and that will help you decide, what your first choice is, whether it's CK402, 404, 406, 405, and so forth. Now, to sort of get that kind of information at this open day, you should go and visit the relevant parts of this platform and talk to some of the academics who are in those different places in the platform. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of idea of the structure and explains why why we've got some degree programs with similarly sounding names, but you can see hopefully that they do actually mostly they do different kinds of degrees, even if they fit under the same heading. So thanks and enjoy this open day.